talentong Pinoy dahil apat sa kanila Pinoy. Narito na nga ang grupong nagpasayaw sa America's Got Talent, America's Best Dance Crew hanggang sa 2009 NBA All-Star Game. Narito na ang Jabbawockeez!
Together, music creates a virtual world in the mind. The sound, sight, feeling. Unfortunately, you cannot be told. You must see it.
Jabbawockeez! Okay, now can we just request you guys to please remove your masks? Please! Thank you so much! Alright, wow! Nako, sobra po nilang sikat, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, kundi sa buong mundo talaga. Sumali sila sa America's Got Talent, tapos nanalo sila doon at apat sa kanila ay Pinoy. Please welcome Fee, B-Tech, KB, Kid, Raynan, Crystal, Sugar Boy, and Punky. Hey guys! Welcome to the Philippines. Welcome to Wowowee. Hello. Okay, now which one of you guys are the Filipinos? Okay.
We got a Filipino over
yes, hello. Do
I'm
you guys
Swagger Boy,
understand?
by the way.
Do you guys understand? Oh, it's not Sugar Boy. It's what is it?
Swagger Boy.
Swagger Boy. Oh, we're so sorry.
Salamat.
All right. Our bad. Sorry. Okay, do you guys understand Tagalog? Oo.
ako.
Wow, ikaw lang? Talaga? O, kasi nandito kayo dahil meron kayong shows, di ba? I said that you guys are here because you guys are going to have shows with Billy Crawford. Am I right?
Yeah, Billy
so
Crawford.
please invite everyone. Go ahead. Ikaw lang nakakapag-Tagalog. Ikaw na.
Sa Ayala Malls, Best at Lives, September 5th, Alabang Town Center, September 6th, Glorieta.
Alright, so again, I will just repeat the Jabbawockeez featuring DJ Rashida with special guest Billy Crawford as Global Greats Meet Philippines Best live at Ayala Malls on September 5, Alabang Town Center, September 6 sa Glorieta naman po. This event is brought to you by Ayala Malls in cooperation with Music Management International, MTV, and Magic 89.9. Thank you so much, Jabbawockeez!
Salamat!
Thank you so much!
Hi, Tito Lawrence!
Alright, magbabalik po ang programa nyo.